So if you want to create the life that you want, it is possible. I know working as a nurse, it's really hard. So I am suggesting or nire-recommend ko to everyone, lalo na yung mga Filipino nurses natin, working so hard. Sana you take rest and you take time for yourself because it is really important, 'di ba? Na naalagaan natin sarili natin, make sure that we are resting well, and resting is okay. Anyway, guys, hello everyone. This is me, Anne, and to those of you na bago pa lang sa channel na ito, this is me sharing you anything and everything about living and working here in Switzerland as a nurse. So if you're still new to my channel, I am a Filipino nurse. So I went to Switzerland 2012 for a stag-year visa program that was 18 months. And then after that 18 months, I went back to the Philippines, then go to Germany, and so Germany, I stayed for 8 years. So after staying in Germany for 8 years, I actually really wanted to come back here. So, yun yung naging journey ko. So, talagang pinursu ko na makakuha ako ng German citizenship, na maging EU citizen ako in order for me to easier na makapag-apply here sa Switzerland. So, yeah. So, here it comes. Nandito na ako.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Guys, look at this. Sobrang tahimik dito. And ako lang yung nandito. So, sobrang nice spot here. Look at that. Look. Look. Look at that. Diba? Grabe, sobrang refreshing. Look at the water. And look how peaceful is that. Cheers. May happy na siya. Grabe, nalaglag yung nalaglag yung aking camera. Anyway, guys, hello everyone. This is me, Anne, and to those of you na bago pa lang sa channel na ito, sa mga channel ko mapapanood niyo yung mga tips about nursing here in Switzerland, applying here in Switzerland, and also some travel spot, yung mga quiet spot like this one. So literally, ako lang po mag-isa dito. Yeah, it's really a quiet area here. So, ganito yung mga vibes ko actually. Hindi na ako pumupunta dun sa mga tourist area. Gusto ko talaga yung mga tahimik na medyo makakapag-relax ako. Kasi, alam naman po natin, diba, working as a nurse, what do you call that? Talagang ano tayo, overstimulated, ang daming ginagawa, ang daming tao sa trabaho, ang daming nagtatanong sa'yo, telephone. whatsoever. So, kapagka may day off ako, I make sure na nakakapunta ako sa mga places like this na tahimik, na, what do you call that, makakapagpahinga ako ng maayos and, also in touch with nature. So, I'm so lucky kasi here in Switzerland, napakagandang maraming places na puntahan and also kung saan ako nakatira here in Central Switzerland, sobrang nare-recommend ko. Everywhere talaga, ang dami, lake, mountains, everywhere. Everywhere. So, hindi ka mabo-bored. Sabi nila Switzerland is so boring. So, I disagree actually. So, ayun. Kasi hindi naman ako party person. I'm actually more of a nature person. Gusto ko yan, yung mga walking and hiking and lake, sightseeing, reading, ayan ang mga trip ko, 'di ba? Siyempre kanya-kanya namang trip 'yan. Anyway, yun guys. So if you want to create the life that you want, it is possible. I know working as a nurse, it's really hard. So I am suggesting or nire-recommend ko to everyone, lalo na yung mga Filipino nurses natin, working so hard. Sana you take rest and you take time for yourself because it is really important, 'di ba? Na naalagaan natin sarili natin, make sure that we are resting well and resting is okay, siyempre. And to all the OFW nurses out there na parang sobrang lagi na lang yung talagang trabaho, trabaho, trabaho for money, yeah, extra hours and something. You know what? In the long run, it's not sustainable. So you really have to rest. So, kung bago ka palang Filipino nurse ka, what I suggest, well, hindi naman ako perfect, hindi rin naman perfect yung journey na napagdaanan ko, but I think yung journey na pili ko is very wise kasi pinili ko talaga yung quality of life na magkakaroon ako in the future and yung life na I know na survive ko, na I am working as a nurse. I love working as a nurse, but at the same time I am living and I am the same time I am enjoying my time to myself and I'm having time for my family and I am exploring different places, exploring nature, being grounded, 'di ba? Kasi pag lagi na lang tayong stress, pressure sa work, 'di ba? Paano naman tayo, 'di ba? We really have to take care of ourselves. So, ayun, sa ating mga humingi sa akin ng mga advice diyan, what I can advise you guys, talagang yung skills nyo, yun, habang bata pa kayo, make sure na hasain yung skills nyo, make sure na magkaroon kayo ng higher level of skills, courses, take it as much as possible. And also, kapag hindi ka na happy kung nasan ka man ngayon, just move, 'di ba? Move everywhere, anywhere, 'di ba? New environment, 'di ba? As of now, actually, it's not that hard to go abroad. Well, here in Europe, the easiest that you can go is in Germany. So that's the easiest pathway. And then, if you're in Germany, maybe one day you can also move here to Switzerland, di ba? And some people na nasa Germany na naman, if you are very tired na sa kung ano man yung work mo ngayon or sobrang pressure ka na, 'di ba? There are a lot of opportunities. You can always transfer and move. So, yun. Dapat, yeah, hindi tayo masyadong nag-i-stay sa comfort zone natin. So, I know mahirap yun. I was there as well, into a comfort zone, and it was really hard for the first time for me na ma-realize ko na yung comfort zone is actually the baddest, the baddest. So now our comfort zone is actually not comfortable. So you have to experience things in life na iba naman, 'di ba? Para naman you appreciate life even more, 'di ba? And then ma-appreciate mo rin naman siya may pinaghihirapan mo, 'di ba? Yung pera na pinagtatrabahuhan mo. So that's very important. Also, another thing, if you really want to create the life that you really want, you have to choose the right partner. You have to choose the right environment. You have to choose the right people alongside. Diba? Napaka-importante nun because it affects you, it influences you. So I am very lucky because I have the best partner. I have the best team in my life. I have the best support from my family. So, sobrang lucky ko as a person. Talagang pinagpapasalamat ko talaga yon. And to you na if you are in a place right now that you felt not in a place na hindi ka nag-grow, na hindi mo nakukuha yung mga gusto mo or hindi mo na-achieve yung mga things that you want in life, siguro it is time to have a look around yourself. Syempre, sa simula, sa sarili mo muna, it always start with yourself, diba? Self-care, ika nga, tutunan ko yan. So, extreme self-care. Unang-una yan. Syempre, look around your place, your fitness, the food you eat, the environment you have to. So, dun ka magsisimula sa sarili mo. And then, look around the people around you if they are a good influence or not. And yun, napaka-importante naman to influence the life na gusto mo mangyari in the near future or in the future, di ba? Well, it's not gradual. For me, it's not really that gradual. It is step-by-step process and I'm still on the process and I'm still learning from it and I'm very thankful. And the purpose, of course, your purpose in life. What is your purpose, di ba? Ano ba yung, do you think, ang binigay sa iyo ng creator natin in this world, 'di ba? Yeah, you have I know mahirap sa akin, it was also hard at first to know what my purpose really is. But eventually I learned that my purpose is to helping people, syempre at work, syempre mga pasyente, di ba? Old people, especially here in Switzerland, napaka daming mga pasyente na elderly na talaga, yung talagang matatanda na sila yung mga main patient dito. So, ayun, and the purpose of having impact in this world, di ba? Protecting nature. So, yun. So, ayan. Continue walking na ako. Ang tagal kong nag-break here. So, let's walk again, guys. Anyway, it's around 35 degrees today, but since malapit ako sa lake, hindi ko siya masyadong napigil kasi mahangin. So one of the advantages of living here in Switzerland, it is really a safe place. So especially for women. So kahit mag-isa ka, walking and everything, very safe. You know na walang mangingialam sa'yo. Look at this! Grabe. There another island there, guys, if you can see. It's another island. So if you wanna come to Switzerland, don't go to touristy spot. Go sa mga gantong places. Ito yung mga talagang local villages ng Switzerland. Talagang may enjoy mo siya. Dami mga pictures, key area. Talagang Instagrammable. So all the leaves are from the trees around the lake. Yan siya. And marami akong nakitang dragonfly here, guys. So ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakita ng tutubi. So here, may mga nakikita ako. So it means the area is still very healthy. That is also really quiet. And may mga shade of trees. You can actually swim here as well, guys. It's allowed to swim here if you want. Look at that. Oh, no way. No. Look at the place. Are you kidding me? Nice. Just a Jurassic Mountain here. This panorama, this area. Wow. Insane. Maybe I can dip to the water later. Since mainit. Look at that, guys. Walang tao here. Because it's Thursday and it's still early. It's around 10 o'clock. So, yun yung advantage waking up early. So, let's go swimming. Let's try the water.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never
That's it,
feel
guys.
lucid.
Basang-basa pa yung buhok ko, but air dry na lang yan. And then yung banlaw sa bahay na. Anyway, it's 12:30 p.m. And uwi na ako. That's it. I was productive today. I'm so happy. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for being with me in this channel. Salamat. And I'm so happy na ipakita ko sa inyo itong side na to ni Switzerland. This is actually the summer life here. Well, here's Switzerland actually. Wala silang pakialam kung anong suot mo and then how you look. So, people here don't really care. So, thank you so much and I'll see you guys again on my next video. Ciao, merci à tous. Bye!